Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video we are going to unbox the new age Iron Man, and this is the packaging. It looks really premium and comes with 18 months warranty, Bluetooth version 5.0, low latency, and lots more. Alright, so we're going to be unboxing this product. Before we go ahead and unbox this product, if you're actually new to the YouTube channel, consider smashing that red subscribe button, turn on post notification, and let's dive straight into today's video. Alright, so unboxing the box, unboxing it, you're going to see functionalities right here on this other side, on this left hand side. Bluetooth version 5.0, low latency. Low latency means you can actually use this AirPods for gaming. Alright, so if you're a Call of Duty fan, you definitely want to get this AirPod, and if you want to go ahead and get this AirPod, I'm going to leave the link in the description below so you can go ahead and place an order right from New Age official website. Alright, if you place your order from the New Age official website, the price is going to be different compared to when you're actually buying it in a store near you. Alright, so as you can see right here, low latency, sound mode switch, dust waterproof, sweat, touch a button, okay, touch a key, and RGB control. This RGB light is really cool. Alright, and for gamers, I know gamers love RGB a lot, so you're definitely going to like this AirPod. So as you can see right here, you can see this glassy stuff. Then once you open it, you're going to see the AirPod itself. So as you can see right here, this is how the AirPod looks like. So let me take it close. Alright, so I'll just drop this here, then let's unbox. So when I'm done, we're going to come back to it. So in this small compartment, you're going to find the user cable. Let's go ahead and check how long this cable is, because most of this, okay, as you can see, this is, I won't say long, I would say it's still short, but it's okay. But I don't know why most of this packaging, they always comes with small type C cable, which is not too cool for me because they are always useless to me. I need to get a new USB-C cable. Alright, so let's drop that here. Then inside we also have this. We have the user manual. Yeah, this is, I'm sure you know this, so I don't need to explain that. Then yeah, that's it. So nothing. Alright, so yeah, so this is the Iron Man. Looks like Iron Man itself. Alright, so let's go ahead and remove this wrapper. Let me remove this. Alright, so this is it. This is how it looks like. I'm sure if I open this, light should show here. Alright, boom. Alright, so what's your take on this? I think looking at this AirPod for the first time, it's really amazing. I feel like diving into it. I want to use it to play a game and all. Let me take one ear out. Wow, this is and it's extremely light. This AirPod is extremely light. I don't even think there's anything on my hand right now. It's really light, and I love the fact that there is no ear tips on it. No ear tips. That's why we can't actually find any ear tips inside the box. It's just like that. No ear tips here. So no ear tips, just like that. So wow, it looks really light. I would say it looks really light and comfortable in the ear. Right, comfortable in the ear. Oh, the casing looks a little bit big. Okay, I think we have this reset button at the back. We have this reset button at the back, as you can see right here. Underneath it, we have the charging case. The charging port, which you can actually use the Type-C cable to charge. And I think that's pretty much it for this AirPod. So what do you think about it? Are you going to consider buying this? And yes guys, I'm going to make a more detailed review concerning this, and if you want to watch that and you're actually new to the YouTube channel, then that's the reason why you should actually go ahead and subscribe to the channel so I can show you that particular video. Right, that's it guys for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in another video. Don't forget to watch the next video on your screen.